Hey guys, so welcome back to this Python for Beginners tutorial, and in this video we will learn about dictionaries. So in the previous tutorials we learned about lists and tuples, and today we're only going to talk about one more data structure, which is dictionaries. So let's get started. Now a dictionary basically contains a value or a word that maps to another value. Just like in a real dictionary, how a word maps to a meaning. So I will show you what it looks like. So I can set this to my dictionary, and you use curly braces for that. So my dictionary, now you would have one value. For example, let's say I'm specifying the ages of the cats. So cat 1 is 5 years old. Cat 2 is 3 years old. And okay, so cat 3, let's say he's 7 years old. Alright, so now we have a dictionary, and to specify that one value maps to another, we use a colon, and this just says that cat 1 maps to the value of 5, and cat 2 maps to the value of 3, and so on. And to separate these values, we use commas between them. Alright, so now let's look at how we can index dictionaries. So to index dictionaries, we have to index the key, and what then it will return is the actual value that it stores. So if we index cat 1, then it should get 5. So let's say cat 1 equals to my dictionary at index, and we will have to write cat 1 just like that. So now it should store the value for cat 1 to 5. Alright, so let's print that out to see if that's the case. Oh, sorry, cat 1. See, indeed it does print out 5. Let's just try another example. Let's say cat 2, then it should give us 3. See? Yeah. And just like lists, they are mutable, so you could change any of the values. Let's say we wanted to change one of the values in my dictionary. So let's say my dictionary at cat 2, which is right now 3, and let's say we wanted to change that to, for example, 2. And now when we print out my dictionary at cat 2, we should get 2 instead of 3 because we've already changed the value. And I'll just show this before when we changed it. So see, first we get 3 and then we get 2. Alright, we can also add new values into the dictionary. So instead of changing them, let's say I wanted to specify a new cat. So cat 4 equals to 4. And then I want to print out cat 4 of the dictionary, and we will get the value of 4. Okay, so now basically dictionaries can have any data types. It's not just integers for the values. Let's say we wanted the names, so let's say Bob. Let's think of another name. Okay, let's say Charlie. And for the last one, let's say Jack. So now when we print out, let's get rid of this. So now when we print out cat 1, we will get Bob. And we can only map one value to each key, I guess, unless you wanted to have a list or a dictionary for the value. Okay, so basically that's how dictionaries work. And they are really useful when you want something to map to another thing. Like when you want to have a key for each value, when instead of lists, you just only have the value itself. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye!